Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix script execution time exceeded in the ChatGPT. So I will show you the 4 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. So in our first method, you need to open the down detector and check that if the server of the ChatGPT is down, then you have to just wait for some time. So after some time your problem will be fixed by itself. Now moving to our second method. You need to update your browser. For this you have to just click on the three dots at the very top right corner and then click on the settings. And here you have to just scroll down in the left side and then find an option of about Chrome. Just click on it and let it checking for the update. If any update will available, it will automatically update your browser. Once updated your browser, your problem will be fixed. Moving to the third method, you have to just click on the privacy and security and then click on clear browsing data. And then select these options here and then in the time range select for all time and then click on the clear data. Once you complete this process, your problem will be fixed. Now moving to our fourth and the final solution, you need to use a different browser, like you can use the Safari browser, Microsoft Edge, Opera or any other that you want to use, and try to log into your ChatGPT by using a different browser. Hopefully your problem will be fixed. Otherwise you need to wait for some time and your problem will be fixed automatically. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.